Because the Master Gardener program went virtual in 2020, I was able to take the opportunity to become a Master Gardener through the Cornell Cooperative Extension. And it was important to me because I actually knew Betty Langendorfer. She was a Master Gardener volunteer here at the Bath VA greenhouse back in, I think, late 90s, early 2000s. And she was quite vivacious. She was really quite active. And the other thing that's really great for me is that Betty was an occupational therapist here at the Bath VA many years ago, and I've been here as an occupational therapist for 28 years as well. So it was really just kind of bringing it full circle for not only as occupational therapy, but as a Master Gardener, and having the opportunity to, both of us had the opportunity to work in this amazing greenhouse. It's such a gift to have this on our station. A lot of stations don't have this opportunity, and so it's nice to bring our veterans in, use the research-based education from the Cornell Cooperative Extension program, from the Master Gardener program, and teach that so that they can have their own container gardens, outdoor gardens, windowsill gardens, and hopefully they flourish and enjoy nurturing plants. When they come into the greenhouse, they just want to grow something. They just want something to nurture and to watch develop. And hopefully they take this healthy leisure activity and they grow and develop themselves as well. I'm passionate about gardening. I think it's a very welcoming experience. It's nice to have color and plants that are very welcoming to the station, to the Bath VA station. This is actually a staff parking lot, so everybody's coming and going in front of this. We also have the main side, you can't see it from here, main side bed over there. I liked this one because of the purples and the yellows. So this is the Bath VA POW MAA Rose Garden. Years ago, we were able to purchase, people were able to purchase bricks in memoriam to their loved ones. In March of 2020, when the pandemic started, I volunteered to maintain the Rose Garden, because formerly it was the Master Gardeners from the Cornell Cooperative Extension program that would come in and maintain that. So this is my second year maintaining it. We now have to do a mulch project to finish refurbishing it. So voluntary services provides roses when we're in need, and people can also donate roses in memory of their loved ones or in honor of their loved ones. Maurice Schumacher. He was one of our longtime nursing home residents.